Welcome. In this video, we'll be going through some of the features and configuration options in the Eclipse modeling environment for SAP BW on HANA. You can access the BW modeling tools through the BW modeling perspective. The BW modeling perspective provides an initial layout of editors and views for modeling in BW. To access the BW modeling perspective, go to Window, Open, and choose the BW modeling perspective. The initial layout of the BW modeling perspective consists of 3 screen sections, made up of 2 view containers and 1 editor. There are 6 views relevant to BW modeling: the Project Explorer view, the Info Provider view, the Properties view, the Problems view, the History view, and the BW Reporting preview. You can move the views between containers, or create your own container. You can also minimize and restore containers depending on your preference. To start modeling for the first time, you need to set up a connection to your BW system. To do this, you will need to create a BW project. A BW project represents a unique combination of the system connection details, client, username, and language. To set up a project, right-click on the Project Explorer view. Go to New, Project. Choose BW Project and click Next. Enter your connection details. You can either import data from your SAP logon pad or choose to define a connection manually. In this case, I will import a system from my logon pad. Click Next. Enter the client details, username, password, and language for the BW project. Note that once the BW project is created, to connect to the system using a different username will require a new BW project. Click Next. Alter the name of the project if required, and click Next. You have the option of adding a HANA connection to your BW project. You might want to do this if you are planning to use HANA BW mix scenarios, or if you are exposing BW models to SAP HANA. You can choose any HANA connection which has been set up already in your HANA Studio. Click Finish. Under your BW project, you have a number of subnodes. The Favorites folders display your BW favorites. These could be info areas or objects which you regularly access. The Info Provider node represents the info area tree, similar to what we see in Transaction RSA1. To add an info area or object to your Favorites folder, right-click the object and Add to Favorites. In this case, I have added an info area. The info area may contain other info areas or info providers. The BW modeling objects appear under the corresponding type node. For example, Advanced Data Store objects appear under the Advanced Data Store object folder. To access an object, you can double-click on the node or right-click and select Open. The object definition appears in the editor. To switch to full screen, double-click on the tab. To resume, double-click again. BW info providers contain a data preview button. You have the choice of 2 styles of data preview: the Classic Preview mode and the Non-Classic Preview mode. To switch the mode, go to Window, Preferences, and then select BW Modeling. Change the setting Use Classic Preview mode. By deactivating the switch, you can access the new Data Preview tool. You can open the SAP GUI inside of the Eclipse Modeling tool. To do this, click the icon on your toolbar. Within the BW project, the SAP HANA System Library node allows you to access the HANA modeling environment. The Catalog node provides access to the schema and tables, and the repository provides access to the HANA modeling views. Thank you for viewing this video. For more articles, videos, and information, please visit the EDW Product Management community page.